Hi guys, this is Clinton with Barbecue Pit Stop again. Today we're going to work on salmon. This is going to be another very easy recipe that you could do when you get home from work and day, just wanting a snack for lunch. It's not going to be a long one. We are literally using only one rub today, and that is John Henry's Honey Lemon Pepper. It is my personal favorite rub for salmon. We got this fillet from our local grocery store, just something cheap and quick and easy. I'm not going to touch this at all. I'm not going to trim it. All we're going to do is season it up a little bit, put it on the grill, throw some lemon on there, show you how easy and how delicious salmon can be. Like I said, we're not going to touch this. All we're going to do is grab the fillet, put it skin side down. You'll see right there, skin side down so that we have the protein up, and we're just going to go light with the John Henry's. So just a quick pass over on it. You don't need too much. Salmon has such wonderful flavor on it already. You don't want to cover it up, you just want to enhance that flavor. You don't need a whole lot on here. Just looking where it's thinner, you want to go thinner. Where it's a little bit meatier, throw just a little bit extra on there. That way we're not going to overpower it. Then we're going to take a lemon and we're going to do 2 thin slices of lemon on this. You don't need much, just a little bit of citrus. There's 1 and 2. You don't need to go crazy. Put 1 on one side, 1 on the other, and that's it in terms of preparation. We're gonna cook this one in a disposable aluminum pan, and the reason for that is when you're cooking fish, as it's rendering the fat that's out of it, it will render a little bit of oil as well. That oil will get stuck on your grates, and everything you cook will taste like fish afterwards. So we wanna be able to take that oil out with us. So we're gonna put this in a pan, we're gonna put it in the smoker. The salmon has only been sitting for about 5 minutes or so. We're gonna put it on the smoker. Today we're using the Traeger Timberline. It's only going to be on for about 20 minutes or so, then we're going to start temping it. Again, we are cooking at 225 degrees. There's not much to it. All we're doing, setting it there, going to shut the lid and let it go. Remember, if you're looking, then you're not cooking. All right, guys, it's been about 30 minutes. We cooked this a little bit slower. We wanted to get a lot of smoke flavor on here, and we are sitting right at about 140. Ooh, they were right on. And so that's right where we want it. We're gonna pull this out, only let it rest for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna slice it, see how this turns out. All right, our salmon has been resting for about 5 minutes. Let's see how this thing turned out. So, we'll get it in the shot. You'll see there's some oil down around here. That's what we were hoping to keep out. Ooh, that looks good. Keep out of the smoker, which is why we cooked in this pan. All right, now let's cut into this thing. All right, we're gonna take that off, set it aside, and we're just gonna start making some slices. Ooh, yeah. This is gonna be really good. We're excited about this. A little flaky. Looks like when it rested, it came up a couple of extra degrees. That's what happens when you kind of overcook it. All right, we're gonna take a little bit of our lemon, and we're just gonna go over the top just a little bit. Just put a little bit of flavor on there. And that came off that skin perfectly. That is fantastic. Put this over some rice, mashed potatoes. Took about 30 minutes, 35 minutes total. Turned out fantastic. Try this one at home. This is a quick meal that your whole family is going to enjoy.